The Assembly of Yahweh invites you to spend a few moments with our longtime elder, Voy Wilks, visiting with him about some of his favorite topics. Voy's study was fueled by his desire to please the Heavenly Father. May the same passion anchor your journey. This study is read for you by Chuck Henry.
Yahshua the Light by Voy Wilks, 5/14/2002. Yahshua the Messiah is indeed referred to as the light of the world. John 1:7-9, chapter 8, verse 12, chapter 9, verse 5, chapter 12, verses 35-36, and Luke 2:32. Does this mean he pre-existed? John the Baptist came as a light to bear witness to a greater light. John 1:7-9. Nevertheless, Yahshua referred to John as a burning and a shining light. John 5:35, King James Version. Does this mean John the Baptist pre-existed? Ye, the disciples of Yahshua, are the light of the world. Let your light so shine. Matthew 5:14-16. Does this mean the disciples pre-existed? No. The glorious gospel of the Messiah is what brings light to believers. 2 Corinthians 4:4. His disciples walk in the light because of faith in the Messiah. Yahshua walked in the light because of his faith and closeness to Yahweh, the light giver. For ye were sometime darkness, but now are you light in the Master. Walk as children of light. Ephesians 5:8. Ye, brethren, are all the children of light. 1 Thessalonians 5:5a. Yahshua was the greatest of all the prophets, the prophet who delivered the true message of the Most High to planet Earth. He was not swayed by peer pressure. Even so, this does not indicate Yahshua pre-existed. When we study the word pre-exist, it basically means he existed before he existed. Yahshua was like Moses, a man, a prophet in Israel. I, Yahweh, will raise them up a prophet from among their brethren like unto thee, Moses, and will put my words in his mouth. See Deuteronomy 18:15-19. He was made of a woman, made under the law. Galatians 4:4. To believe that Yahshua pre-existed is only an assumption.